In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an HTML email template to Constant Contact. If you've ever wanted to spruce up your email campaigns with custom designs but weren't quite sure how to get those HTML masterpieces into Constant Contact, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Constant Contact account. This is where you manage all of your email marketing campaigns, so it's the perfect place to start. After you've entered your credentials and you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner where you will see the Create button. Go ahead and click that. You'll see a drop-down menu appear from which you should select email. This choice will set the stage for creating a new email campaign from scratch. Once that's done, you'll find yourself faced with several email building options. What you want to do next is quite simple. Scroll down the list until you encounter the option that says Build with HTML. By selecting this option, you're telling Constant Contact that you're ready to enter the realm of HTML email design. It might sound technical, but don't worry, it's easier than it seems. Now that you're in the editor, you might notice some default text that has automatically appeared. Don't let it clutter your creation. Just go ahead and delete all of that default text. With a blank slate before you, it's time to make your mark. Grab your prepared HTML email code and paste it into the editor. This code is what creates the magic behind your beautifully designed email. Once that's in place, take a moment to marvel at your work. But remember, we're not done yet. Preview your email by clicking the preview button. This is an essential step because it allows you to see exactly what your recipients will see once they open your email. Check for any discrepancies or formatting issues that might need a little tweaking. Satisfied with your design? Fantastic. Now, it's time to personalize some of the key settings. Edit the subject line to something catchy and relevant, then update the sender's name if needed, and tweak any other settings to ensure your email is just how you want it. Finally, click Continue. You'll be prompted to choose which email list you'd like to send this campaign to. Select your target audience carefully because we're nearing the finish line. With your list selected, you have the choice to either send your campaign immediately or schedule it for later. Choose what suits your strategy best. And there you have it. Your beautifully designed HTML email is now ready to be sent out into the world or scheduled for the perfect moment. With these steps, you've taken a powerful stride in enhancing your email marketing efforts. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing.